Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can remove your university or school from your Facebook Lite profile on Facebook Lite. So let's get started. Firstly, open Facebook Lite app in your device. Then tap on your profile icon. Next, tap on see more about yourself. Then you can see the option of education. Below it, you can see your university or your school. Then in the side, you can see the option of edit like icon. Tap on it. Then you can see the option of delete at the bottom. Tap on it. Next, tap on yes. So this is how you can delete your university or school from your Facebook Lite profile. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day, so do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update.